This painted front bumper comes folded. Yeah, I know, it sounds crazy. We've heard it all. Why would you fold a bumper? I didn't even know a bumper could be folded. Won't the paint get damaged? Well, here at Bumpers That Deliver, this process has worked for over 15 years, helping over 2 million customers get back on the road and save hundreds of dollars. Who doesn't want that? So hold off on that insurance claim. Let's avoid those body shop prices nobody wants to pay. And let's get into it.
First thing you'll want to do is find a nice area for you to open up the bumper. Suggest grabbing a blanket to make sure the part does not get scratched up or damaged as it's unfolding. You can unfold it outside in the hot sun or inside. 68 degrees or more does just fine. It can be colder, just takes a little bit more time. Now time to open it. Box cutter or scissors? You guessed it. Toss that box cutter, grab some scissors. This avoids any scratching up of the paint because yes, we've seen plenty of customers make that mistake. You can take off all the packaging and boom, it's ready to sit out. As you can see, there are no issues at the folds with paint peels or any kind of damages, just a bumper that is folded. I do have a beautiful day out in the sun today, so this should be a breeze. Let's see what 15 minutes out in the sun does to this. And only 15 minutes later, this part is pretty much back to normal. If you'd like to speed up the process, you're more than welcome to apply heat to the back of the part. We do suggest a hair dryer or a heat gun on low. But in that short period of time, this part is pretty much ready to go. It does need a little bit more time to unfold, but we normally do suggest about 4 to 5 hours. We also do highly recommend for you to unpackage this part as soon as you receive it. The longer it stays folded, the longer it takes to unfold, and could possibly cause permanent damage.
And just a reminder that all of our packages come with these special instructions going over all of the information that I just went through in this video, as well as our contact information. Let's avoid those insurance claims, let's avoid those body shop prices, and let's get you back on the road. You can visit us at www.bumpersthatdeliver.com or give us a call at 616-334-6200. Talk to one of our representatives to answer any of your questions before you place your order. We're there Monday through Friday from 9 to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Bumpers That Deliver, anywhere you are.